In the bustling city of New York, Max, a young professional in his late 20s, was determined to achieve financial independence and create wealth. He had witnessed his parents struggle with debt throughout his childhood and was determined to break free from that cycle. Max started by educating himself on personal finance. He devoured books, attended seminars, and sought advice from successful individuals. He learned about budgeting, investing, and the power of compound interest. With his newfound knowledge, Max created a realistic financial plan. He set clear goals for himself. Max decided to live below his means and cut unnecessary expenses. Instead of splurging on designer clothes and eating out every day, he cooked his meals at home and prioritized saving and investing. Max found inspiration in real-life success stories. He read about individuals who started small businesses, invested in stocks, or generated passive income through real estate. Inspired by their stories, he began exploring various investment opportunities. Max opened a retirement account and started investing in low-cost index funds. He also diversified his portfolio by investing in rental properties. He understood that wealth creation required patience and consistency, so he continued to invest a portion of his income each month. Over the years, Max's financial situation improved. His investments grew steadily, and the rental properties provided a reliable stream of passive income. With his growing wealth, he started giving back to his community, supporting local charities, and mentoring this on their own financial journeys. Max's journey toward financial independence and wealth creation was not without challenges. He encountered market downturns and had to make tough financial decisions. However, his determination and knowledge helped him navigate those obstacles. Today, Max stands as a beacon of financial independence and wealth creation. He serves as a role model for this, demonstrating that with discipline, education, and perseverance, anyone can achieve their financial goals and secure a brighter future.